Hi everyone, thank you once again for your support and welcome back to my videos. It is not too late to learn. In this video, I am going to explain you the top 5 PowerPoint add-ins. Let me open this. Let me open this for you. And now, the add-ins are the inbuilt tools available in any of the Microsoft applications. You will be wondering, where can I find this, Ganesh? Let you take you through there. Okay, you go to Insert tab and then you will see the add-in section here. You will see the add-in section here. Okay, so if you click on these add-ins, that means when I mean add-in, it is not a formula, it is not a function, but it is an inbuilt tool. Okay, this can be downloaded across the Microsoft applications. Okay, there are hundreds of such Office add-ins available, which many of the people are not aware. There are some add-ins which are available for free. There are many for that matter, and there are some add-ins which require additional purchase. That depending on your need, you can just browse through and choose whichever you want. There are so many free add-ins which are available. So let us see 5 topmost or important add-ins which I feel that it is required for any of us who are preparing the PowerPoint presentation. Let's take the first one, which is called QR for Office. That is QR for Office. Right. Let's go to Insert and go to Add-ins and then Get Add-ins. Click on the Get Add-ins. First, let me see. Here you can see this is the search bar where you can type your requirement and click on the search glass. So you'll be able to see whatever you want. Alternatively, you can also see the categories here. Like if you click all, you will get all the add-ins here. Or if you want to specifically look for anything, you can go through here and click on that. Okay, right now I want to have QR for Office. Let me see. There you go. A first of its kind QR generator that integrates seamlessly into your Office documents. That means wherever it is, whether PowerPoint or Excel or Word or Outlook, wherever it is, you can still make use of it. Let me explain you how to download this. After clicking the QR for Office, you will find this add option. Just click on the add option. Okay. Now you can go through the license terms and privacy policy, which generally you or I see for the free options. Then you don't need to really worry and you can just say continue. On to the right, if you carefully look into it, there is an option, enter the URL text you would like to encode, right? So there again, if you see, if you click on the down arrow, you will see HTTP or HTTPS or mail to or telephone, SMS, geographical location, or even you can make it as a customized one. Okay, right now I am going to give it as aditya.com, which is my website. I can give it here, right? Okay, that's good. So now you can go and change the color if you wish. I generally choose a blue color. You can change it. Background can be white, let it be. And then you can see if you want to make the size bigger, then you can still make it, okay, still bigger. Okay, now go down and see error correction. Yes, I have to leave it as it is because there is not much of thing which we can do, but still for experiment purpose you can try what is all about. And now if you see, the full size is 100 by 100 pixels and http aditya.com, which has already been embedded here. Now After doing these things, if I click on this insert button, the QR code will get inserted into my slide. Okay, you can either expand it or you can move it to elsewhere, this place or anywhere. If you have some certain text over here, probably you can keep it here or you can bring it here also. There's no problem, right? So the viewers can zoom it through their scan it through their mobile phone and see if they are able to get into the website, right? Okay, let's get into the next one, which is called Pixels. Pixels is something like it can fetch you the photographs from anywhere. Your OneDrive, your Google Drive, or your local phone, or your Facebook, Instagram, wherever you have kept your pictures, you can easily bring it out here. Apart from your own pictures, you can even bring any other common pictures available in the web. Let's see how to get it. Again, go to Insert, go to Add-ins, and get my add-ins, which is called Pixels, Pixels, Pixels. Wow, it is free stock photos. Add. Okay, agree, and then continue. Okay, got it. Okay, let me close this one, and now open Pexels, Pexels. Did I make any mistake? Yes, looks like. Okay, I'll say PE, Pexels. Okay, good. Now I'll open this Pexels, and then it's asking search for free photographs. Yes, I would like to search. What can I search now? Maybe I will say soccer, because that is the hottest topic which is going on now. Yes, soccer. Okay, let me insert this one. Okay, good. You can, probably resize it according to your requirement. Okay, right? And then if you want, you can still look for some other thing. Maybe I will say your learnings, just generally learnings. Okay, here is the picture. Okay, here is it. So I can include it here, and I can make it here. Okay, right. This is the function of Pexels add-in, which you can make use of it. I have just copied the stock photographs here, but you can still go down and see for yourselves if you have something from your even Facebook or wherever it is. You can just look into it. It's available here, right? Okay, right. I'll say back, and then you can see here search by color, search by popular searches, etc. Okay, right. Okay, let me get into the third one, which I always love it because it's a break time timer. After a presentation of about 5 to 10 slides or even more, certainly as a presenter you need a break, right? At the same time, you also make your viewers to get a break time. Oh, this is a very good add-in which you would love it. Let's see what it is all about. And I'll close this and then go to add-in, get to add-in, and then I will say break time. I'll say break time. Let me see. Yes, it is break time. Add. Okay, I'll say continue. As I said earlier, I like this much. Okay, see, it is. So the inbuilt or the default is 10 minutes for us. Okay, 10 minutes break. If you are already tired of 15 to 20 slides, and if you want to give a break for the lunch, you can choose that. You can start and you can stop it here. Okay, you can start here, you can stop here, you can reset. Okay, I would like to reset to 20 minutes because lunch time, 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes may not be sufficient. So I want to give 20 minutes lunch time, and then you see here types. You see here the type. You can choose anything. Wow, it starts with bar, breakfast, exercise, coffee, dinner, drinks, finishing, lab, lunch. I'm going to say lunch here. Wow, the background has also changed to lunch. Okay, let's see how it works. I'll go here and then I'll say the presentation mode. Look at that. It runs down. 1951, lunchtime, break timer. Wow, that's very good. Okay, let me get into the fourth one. Some people are interested in getting to the comic characters. So there is an add-in available, which I'll go again to add-in, get add-in. I'll say Pixton, Pixton, Pixton. Yes, add. I'll say continue. You can get it here. Go to Pixton characters. You can see many characters here. Get started. Get started. Whom do you want? Whom do you want? If you are a, if you want to compare, yesterday and today of a man who has been continuously working out, probably you can use this gentleman. Okay, I just want to create this gentleman by doing like this. Outfit. There are so many outfits available. Let me see and choose something. Okay, okay, let me choose this guy. Okay, he is there already. Pose. How do you want him to pose? This way. Okay, he is already here with me. Okay, I will resize this gentleman. Go here. Okay, now I want to choose yet another person, right? I'll go and then I'll go to the type. I'll go to this gentleman. Okay, color need to be like this. I need to be like this. I'm going to choose the outfit as that of the same person. Okay, what kind of pose you want? Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Do I have similar? Oh yeah. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay, after doing some workouts for about a month or so, the first gentleman, the gentleman in the first comic has become like this. Okay, good. Let us see the final one. Okay, in this case, let me go here. This is also a very good thing, which I always love this. Okay, this is something called Pro Word Cloud. Let me take you to insert and add in, and then look for Pro, Proword. Oh yeah, Pro Word Cloud. Yes, add, continue. Now for which what I need to do is I have to first give some input of some names or the words here somewhere. Okay, I quickly typed out these words or the synonyms for the word happy. Right, now I'm going to select these. Okay, I'm going to select these and then ask this gentleman, the add-in gentleman, to create word cloud. Let me see. Wow, that's good. That's good. Then I'm going to say Control C and then I come here and do Control V. So it's getting pasted over here. Look at that. Look at that if you can. And then, most of the things, if you see, the Pro Word Cloud has brought all these words into a single cloud. Powerful, happy, interested, optimistic, joyful, accepted, proud, intimate, and peaceful. Okay, hope you would have enjoyed all these top 5 add-ins, which I generally use it, and you will also be finding it quite interesting. And please try for yourself, which are all free as of now. And as I like the break time, you will also like the break time. Thank you so much for watching and learning together with me. Please look forward for another video soon. Bye bye.